Well, it is Monday and I am back in the office. I have not put out a video in a few days. I've been away for some business reasons and for some personal reasons. Just got back from taking my son to an ice hockey tournament where his team did manage to win the tournament championship yesterday in Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. So that was very exciting. And now I'm back in the office. I was in court this morning in Philadelphia representing a client, and the weather has changed. Spring is here, the days are longer, and people will be out and about as restrictions continue to relax in Pennsylvania and New Jersey. Hopefully things get better and better. I know that many of the sports arenas will allow fans, and hopefully we'll have full attendance in all those arenas and at various events this summer, and things will be back to normal. I know that my kids are now back in school 5 days a week, full time, so that's great. And it's been a long year, but we've managed to get through as a law firm and as a family, and I'm looking forward to what's next with regards to the COVID vaccines. I'm still working on getting mine, but most of my family has gotten theirs, and that's a very good thing. With that said, I put out an article this morning on the difference between the gun laws in Pennsylvania and New Jersey. I've written a lot of articles in this area over the last few years. It's a very hot button issue. As always, I've represented so many people who cross over into New Jersey from Pennsylvania with their guns and have a issue with that in the Garden State. As many of you know, in New Jersey, carrying a weapon illegally, meaning without a permit, carries with it a mandatory minimum 3.5 year state prison sentence under the Graves Act. And that's a very serious charge. In addition, obviously, it's a felony charge. Pennsylvania does not have a mandatory minimum law with regards to the illegal possession of guns, but nevertheless, it is a felony charge in Pennsylvania. Now, understand that in New Jersey, unlike Pennsylvania, you need a permission to even purchase a firearm from the state. There's a firearms purchaser identification card. In addition, you need to purchase, you need a permit to even purchase a handgun in New Jersey, unlike Pennsylvania. And you can only actually purchase so many handguns at a time in New Jersey. There's actually a restriction on that. Pennsylvania is much more liberal with regards to gun ownership. But again, Pennsylvania has some pretty strict gun laws as well. If you are traveling in Pennsylvania or New Jersey, like I always say, never give police permission to search your car. Be respectful, be polite, don't give the officer a hard time. Resisting arrest will never make your case any easier, but do not give consent to search your car. Simply tell the officer, if you're going to search the car, search it, but I'm not giving you consent. The officer will respect that, and he or she will do what they do. If you are arrested, I always say never make a statement. Even police find something in the car, whether it be drugs, a gun, or some other contraband. Don't make a statement. Even if the officer tells you, if you own up to it, I'll go easy on you. Respectfully to the officer, they simply do not have that type of authority. And the best thing you can do is for your family to hire an attorney as soon as possible. The best time to get a lawyer is right after you're arrested, because bail could be an issue in Pennsylvania. Unlike New Jersey, there is a cash bail system. So it's a monetary system based on the gravity of the offense and your prior criminal history. In New Jersey, it is a cashless bail system under the bail reform, and they have a detention hearing after you are arrested. And again, that is based on your propensity toward violence, based on your prior criminal history and your contacts to the community, much like Pennsylvania uses the same standard, but it's a cash system. So if you have questions about guns or illegal guns in Pennsylvania or New Jersey, or a drug charge, 215-755-9000 in Pennsylvania, 856-793-7429 in New Jersey. The website, gamebowandlaw.com, has all my books, my blogs, my videos. Everything that I've ever written as a lawyer is available on that website. I've been representing people for over a decade, and I put all that information out there in addition to my books to give you a good understanding of our law firm, what we do for clients, and what we can do for you. So 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, 215-755-9000 in Pennsylvania, 856-793-7429 in New Jersey. The website, gamebowandlaw.com, a tremendous resource for you and your family. I wish you all a great week, and I'll see you all very soon.